Tikkas are famous for chicken. It's time to make them famous for vegetarians as well. My simple and quick marinade for aloo tikka is so easy that you're going to repeat it in every party. So I'm going to make Hariyali Aloo Tikka. So let's start. I'm going to start with making the marinade first. For that I have 1 cup of coriander leaves, half a cup of mint leaves, just a very small clove of garlic, not too much, 2 green chillies chopped, a 1-inch piece of ginger, half a lemon juice, salt, half a teaspoon cumin seed powder, and now I'm going to grind this into a smooth paste. And this is ready. I've roasted some gram flour in a pan. Just dry roast it for 2 minutes. Just keep stirring on it. So 1 tablespoon gram flour and a tablespoon of oil. Mix it well. If you feel the marinade is very soft and it's going to fall off from the potatoes while it's baking, you can always add a little more of gram flour. I've boiled some baby potatoes over here in some salt water and then peel them off and let them cool down completely before you add it to the marinade. Coat the baby potatoes well. I've chopped red and green bell peppers and the onions into big square pieces, and I'm going to also add them to the marinade. Just coat them well. If you like, you can take some de-seeded tomatoes also and you can chop them into big pieces and add it to the marinade. I'm going to skew these vegetables. Alternately, just skew the bell peppers, potatoes and the onions. And now I'm going to place it onto this tray. I'm going to place the skewers in a preheated oven at 180 degrees till you get nice and black edges. And just keep turning them in the middle. The tikkas are out of the oven and they've charred nicely and ready to plate. I'm going to remove them out of the skewer now. With a little bit of pressure, just slide them out. I'm going to squeeze a little bit of lime juice, sprinkle a little bit of chaat masala. You can use other vegetables like mushrooms, baby corn, baby onions, or even paneer cubes. In this marination, they taste equally good. These aloo tikkas are going to get over in minutes in your party, so make sure you make enough. Do subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.